Yeah, good morning, guys. Today we will talk about Merchant Shipping Act. Mostly this question is asked by examiner during oral time. So we will discuss about the contents of Merchant Shipping Act. There are total 18 parts. First part is preliminary. So you should know what is inside the parts. Short title of act, date of commencement, application of act and definition of term. Part 2 Function, Power, Establishment, Composition of National Shipping Board. Part 3 General Administration. So you should know what is inside this General Administration. Appointment of DG, establishment of MMD, shipping officer, seafarer employment officer, seamen welfare officers. Part 4, this part is shipping development fund, which is already omitted. This part has been abolished. So we will discuss about part 5. It is very important. You should know what is this. This is quite often asked by examiner. Registration of Indian ships, procedure grant of certification of registry, endorsement for change of master and owner, provision of transfer of ship shares, rule to name of ship, change and transfer of registry, national character of ships and flag, etc. Part 6 Provision regarding certificate of officers, master, mate, engineers, skippers, safe manning requirement on board different type of ships. This is also comes under part 6. It has part 6a also, provision for obligation of certain certificate holder to serve government or Indian ships. Part 7 deal with seamen and apprentice. Seamen classification, engagement, discharge, payment of wages, property of deceased seamen, apprentice, distress seamen, litigation and other matter, discipline, etc. All duties of shipping master. This is also quite often by examiner. What is the duty of shipping master? You will get in section 89. Now part 8 deals with passenger ships. Part 9 regarding safety. This LSA FFA radio or telegraph installation safety certification. Part 9a nuclear ships. Part 10a deal with collision, accident at sea, liability, division of loss in case of collision, damage for personal injury. Part 10a provision for limitation of liability of owner in case of certain damage. Part 10b provision of civil liability for oil pollution damage, limitation of liability of owner, constitution of limitation fund, consolidation of claims and distribution of funds among claimants, compulsory insurance, financial guarantee and rule making power. Part 11 method of giving helm order, duty of master to report navigational hazard, rendering assistance to ship person in danger. This part is amendment in order to include foreign flag vessel under position reporting by Indian flag. Part 11a prevention and containment of pollution by sea by oil, maintenance of oil record book, oil reception facilities at port. So you can. Part 12 provision for investigation and inquiry in shipping casualty. Part 13 provision for matter of wreck and salvage. Part 14 give power the central government for the control of Indian ships and ship engaged in coastal trade. Part 15 provision for sailing vessel, fishing boats, their registry, names, inspection and certification. Part 16 provision for penalties on violation of the act and procedure. Part 17 miscellaneous. So guys, these are the contents of the MS Act. This is quite often asked by examiner. You can go quick through and please give your feedback. How was this video? Thank you. Bye.